Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. In this video I will be doing another cousin of mine's hair. She's getting 30 inches peekaboo color in the back, quick weave with a side part. Shout out to my mom. She did the foundation again for me, and she does do braids, so stay tuned. I am going to be updating my website with something really cool that I'm excited about in collaboration with my mom. So just stay tuned and yeah, get into this hair. Okay, so some new things that I've learned while doing hair this time is that I like using just the wig cap method and not using the wraps, like the hair wraps underneath the wig cap. But the reason why I like just using the wig cap and just sewing down the wig cap is because I can see the foundation, I can see her braids and where to sew my thread. And so that's why I like it. Is more convenient that way. And I feel like her quick weave comes out a lot more cleaner, more perfected basically. Okay, in this part of the video I'm taking down her leave out. I'm using heat protectant to protect her natural hair from the heat, and I'm using some products to make sure her leave out is blended in with the bundles. I really enjoyed doing this quick weave. This came out super cute. It honestly inspired me to want to do my own quick weave, so stay tuned for that video. Shout out to my cousin for participating in this video. I like to thank her for letting me do her hair. She really loved it, and that is the biggest thing that I can take away from the situation, is getting people's reaction to how they look and just looking cute. This is the part where I'm doing her baby hairs. I really enjoy doing baby hairs. Honestly, I feel like it's satisfying to watch. So, yep, please enjoy. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video as well. Like, comment, subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments below what other things you would like to see from me. I do have some ideas. I've just been busy and haven't got to them yet. But, yes, stay tuned for more. Also, check my description box to follow me on social media. I am having a pop-up shop for my business, so the flyer and everything is out for those that live in the local area and would like to shop. There will be other local small businesses there as well, so yep, come out and enjoy and have fun.